Biggest tech advancements: artificial intelligence and machine learning. Rapid progress in AI, especially in language models like GPT and image generation. AI is revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance. Quantum computing, advancing quickly with potential to solve complex problems impossible for classical computers. Major tech companies and startups are competing in this space. 5G and 6G networks. 5G deployment is expanding globally, offering faster speeds and lower latency. 6G research is already underway, promising even greater capabilities. Robotics and automation. Advancements in robotics are transforming manufacturing, healthcare, and everyday life. Autonomous vehicles are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Biotechnology and gene editing. CRISPR and other gene editing technologies are opening new possibilities in medicine and agriculture. Personalized medicine is becoming a reality. Renewable energy technologies. Significant improvements in solar, wind, and energy storage technologies. Sustainable energy solutions are becoming more efficient and affordable. Virtual and augmented reality. VR and AR technologies are evolving rapidly with applications in gaming, education, and professional training. Internet of Things (IoT). Expansion of connected devices is creating smarter homes, cities, and industries, improving efficiency and data collection. 3D printing and additive manufacturing. Advancements in materials and techniques are making 3D printing viable for more applications, including construction and medicine. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Beyond digital currencies, blockchain technology is finding applications in supply chain management, voting systems, and more. Space technology. Private companies are driving innovation in space exploration with reusable rockets and plans for space tourism and colonization. Nanotechnology. Progress in manipulating matter at the atomic scale is leading to breakthroughs in materials science, medicine, and electronics. Brain-computer interfaces. Advancements in connecting human brains directly to computers, offering hope for treating neurological conditions and enhancing human capabilities. Edge computing. Moving computation closer to data sources, improving speed and efficiency, especially important for IoT and AI applications. Cybersecurity. Evolving to counter increasingly sophisticated threats with AI-driven security solutions and quantum cryptography on the horizon.